Good morning, guys. So I have arrived in Charlotte, North Carolina. I have not been vlogging this entire trip driving from Iowa to down here because I have been the navigator and that's a long trip. But I am currently waiting for the leasing office to open. Here it is. It's really hot. Let me take this jacket off. But it looks really nice. It's brand new. It's 8:50 right now. It doesn't open until 9 o'clock, but then we will be setting stuff up. Did you see? Oh, yes it is. I'm sorry. I couldn't get there. Yes. Okay. I think I saw his, I saw his truck downstairs. So. Uh-oh. Okay. I think this him at the door. Okay. Hi. Hey guys, looking a little dusty right now, excuse me. But I'm going to be showing you guys my empty apartment tour. We've already started opening up some furniture and getting some things together, but I wanted to show you guys what we have so far. So yeah, so all you do is that, you unlock the door and you walk straight in. And to the right, I have a coat closet. I keep my little vacuum cleaner and mop in here, and I'll probably hang some coats, hats, and or boots in here. I don't know how cold it gets in Charlotte. But then directly to the right, I have my bathroom. I'm really excited about the excess storage here because y'all know I have a lot of hair products, so that is really nice. And then I have this really super nice mirror. I'm very excited about this area as a nice setup to do my videos. I have some under the sink storage. I'll probably keep cleaning products here. And then I have just three, not too shallow drawers, but they're pretty small, but just to keep toiletries in here. And then, oops, I'm not sure how the light switches work just yet. One of my favorite parts about my bathroom is my shower. It goes up really, really, really high, and it has a really nice background for when I do my hair washing videos, so that's really pretty. I am gonna have to find a shower curtain long enough to come all the way to the bottom though. And that is the bathroom. And then leading right into my bedroom, I have carpet in here. Oops, oh, I didn't mean to slam the door. This is where my television is gonna go. I've got a ceiling fan, and I believe I have a light dimmer too. Yeah, the light's really bright and it can get dim. So that's really cool. This is my headboard and stuff. I think my mom asked some people to come put the stuff together. We got a little overwhelmed. And here's my closet. Some lights. I have some nice storage up here, and what's really cool about this closet is that not only is it nice and roomy, but I have a washer and dryer in here. So when I do my laundry, I'm already right in my closet to put the clothes away. And I really love that my bedroom has these cute barn doors. So those are really nice. They slide open and close. And then this is my kitchen area. I have this really cute island with this sink. And I really like that for the water, I can make it a stream or a normal faucet. That's cool. And I also have a dishwasher because I'm allergic to washing dishes. And I was really excited about this refrigerator because it has the water and ice dispenser. I really, really wanted that, so that was a really cool surprise. I got a choice of ice. The rich and the famous. I have a lot of storage. I'm definitely gonna have to get a step stool because this is really high. So that's my stove and microwave, and the cabinets go super, super high. So that's really convenient to have a lot of storage space, but I'm not gonna be able to reach that without a step ladder. But here I'll probably keep like food and stuff. Like this will be a pantry. and then I can keep dishes here, probably glasses here, my only grocery. And I've got some storage down here as well. And that's that. Oh yeah, and then I have this really cool thermometer or thermostat. I think it might be motion detected. That's that. And lastly, I have my living area. The TV is there. I don't have my entertainment center set up just yet, but if you guys would like me to do a furnished apartment tour on my channel, let me know in the comments and I can definitely do that for you guys. I really like that I have these nice hardwood floors rather than carpet. It'll be a lot easier to keep up with cleaning. I'll have a couch right here. Here, let me come over here. Now, what are these called?
Hanging sconces.
I have these really nice hanging sconces. Where's the light? What's they look like when it's on? Ooh. Oh, that's so pretty. And the last thing, oh, I can't get out right now, but I have a really nice balcony overlooking the pool in my apartment complex. I'm gonna put some chairs and a little table out here just to relax every now and then. And that is pretty much everything. Like I said, thank you guys so much for coming to my channel and for watching this video. And if you would like me to do a furnished apartment tour, then please let me know in the comments. Bye guys.